with certain things. I was impressed with Abrantia, your friend, Christopher Bonsu, which I think
I'm not content guy, no.
Yeah, I think say your right wing honor. He is going to give people a whole lot of issues or the lead up to the World Cup if he stays fit, because this is a very versatile. Obetimia was a natural winger. He can come inside as an inside 10. I think that he's going to give a lot of people a run for their money. Something that was good. I also like the fact that I saw a branch of friend Calibre in his natural position. Now, my catch will say, your Black Stars now, they're back in the game against Japan was the fact that we were not able to receive the ball under pressure. But in the game and now against the South Koreans, when we had to push a branch of friend Calibre in there because of the absence of Francis Abumuni Adeno, you could comfortably tell, say, Calibre is good at that. And Rich, if you know Calibre, you will not be surprised. And the modus operandi, the stock in trade, no. And idea, oh yeah, Yenji born under pressure, Yema short pass, he is good. My big problem for the 2 friendly games here, boy, has just been how it looks as if we wasted it. Which is no, so Brazil game Nibia. Brazil would have learned, say, and some are very careful. Some Bawaka don't be share North African side that you can't underrate them. And Obia, they play their best players. They struggle to play against Tunisia. And that is what is the importance of friendly matches. Especially the team Super World Cup Nibia. But we went to these friendly matches without our top guys. And it means that, yes, although there was some new face, so many big boy, in terms of testing a whole tactical setup, you didn't get that.
That is true. Very, very true. Because these are games that you coach. For instance, Otuado, World Cup now, maybe you ought to feel say, okay, my system now, I'm setting up my teams. But some sisano, me tricky niyama kakra. And your friendly games be saying now, yeah. Because these are friendly games. I mean, I ain't home preparatory, so person was a BB team money and Hana Usuno. But in our case, the players are and another Kase. Work up now, Econo. Yes, about be a bit when your players in Biombo, but among your status, they won't play. There's no way, say, your corner, the parties, the Kudus, the Antoines, and the Obi available. So, players will be more. It is all your Tuado. Na ebia team or setup. Said the opposite will bowl games at the World Cup level. Even so, we share Asian countries now. Acquire person no more money at them.
That's what I'm saying. Because
what do you mean?
You use some of these things to learn how to play against the Asian teams. You understand? And the players also would have played against an Asian team before.
Yeah. And now can't say Sebi. South Korea for Sebi. Omo give me say omo born against Ghana in a friendly game. Omo born first 11. Because coach if you say, look, walk out now, make on. Let me see African team. Some will be here. Hana made to be there. Experiment in be and better me no. Man ha. So that we could show ma. Anya she no. Me idea of team amene kwakobo and how I miss set up. By case idea. New faces in Kwa. Most of them. New faces. Oma walk up now ekono. Edenya senior man for Boma and Baba. Amoah.
For me, I think that is
where the exercise in date now and down next year.
See, next time we need to plan this. They say you catch on from now to the World Cup. There's another international break in March.
Okay.
I know, so I think at least some 2 games be a benyabo. We need to plan it all. Near game nim. Near should be beating my match. Which you know Benjamin Ashari in the conference because whether it was a bad penalty or not, Benjamin Asari has saved the penalty of one Wolverhampton Wanderers for attacker. He will be excited and rightly so. I think Sandra, I like Benjamin Asari in post before they have a competition. You can say, oh, these games will test him.
Yeah.
I think that he wasn't bad, but he can do better. Which Oshe, you go near share na. Your center forward no Edu. Which that was a good goal. Then you're offside.
When you say my goal now, the revenue, they no ha. Otimi did go outside.
And me near Baffo Madrid, I say Rich, before summer starts the match, no, only VAR by, so there was VAR. There was VAR.
As a referee now,
We didn't need to referee was VAR. And that was a clear goal. Which look at the composure.
That was a clear goal.
Somebody has gone through the ranks of the Ghana Premier League, Bechem. Now at this level, the composure was excellent. Which I'm excited that the young boys are. They come to the Ghana Premier League, they go abroad even for the shortest possible time. There's a chance for them to play for the Black Stars. And then I do was number one in that regard.
Okay.
Or at least used to caliber more any Bonsu. It's a big opportunity for them. I hope they take it. Bonsu them a catch all. See, no many and Shania Inaki Williams they take a sign the position.
Okay.
Kekapa na
Kotoko. Amoah standing against young apostles. Karim Zito say when one debut in the players, attitude and mentality.
But also not correct.
Anytime Biano says in the players in the opponent in a head to Kotoko we as I normal responded. And a few say it's bad. Secondly, I say prior 10 players. Is here our say so we could go team now 18 players now available and no crano bako crana some more stairs down. What is it all growing? So probably argument will come with 17 players.
Oh, injuries have become normal in terms of discussing the game.
Okay.
Coach Karim Zito is very much experienced. He knows this. And I'm sure say it was his duty to put out the state of the players' no situation, anything on Bonsu. I don't think that Coach Karim Zito is focusing on the injured players now. You see, the injury of Kwampoku and the departure of Amoah will worry Kotoko in the short term. Especially because Donzo doesn't look like the guy who can hit the ground running.
Taking time,
kakra. He doesn't look like the guy naturally or that top level quality to hit it running, sir. I doubt that. But Kotoko cannot afford to miss games and lose points in Ghana Premier League because yet it's and how things are going. It's important for Kotoko to start picking points, especially the games that they play at home. Kotoko ball draw after the super crash. Then another draw.
About vision.
Yeah.
And not draw.
Yes, now
about draw
against Diana. If you draw again against 11 Wonders,
young apostles.
Young apostles are. I'll be shocked. I think that this is supposed to be a game where Kotoko should be able to navigate and get a good win.
Okay. And then you might hear for no and remember because before I saw Kokran, I might hear for Bemuno. In Shabodu, and I make one sem na